student, welcome to the class. As we had already learned about the fractions, types of fraction, how we can convert unlike fractions into like fraction with the help of LCM. So now moving further, we will study about how we can add and subtract those fractions and mixed numbers. So first of all, let's get some review. Like fractions. So what are like fractions? Like fractions are that have the same denominator, like here you can see 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. They both are having same denominator, so they are like fractions. So how we can add the like fractions? First of all, what we do, we add the numerator and keep the same denominator, and then we will simplify. Okay, so we will study with the help of an example. Or the rule says sum of like fractions is equal to sum of their numerators upon common denominator. Remember students, we are going to add numerator, not denominator. Denominator will remain same. So let's see with the help of an example. That is, example says 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. That is, we have to add 1 by 8 shaded portion of this plus 3 by 8 shaded portion of this. How much we will get? Let's see. So according to the rule, we have to keep the denominator same, that is 8. These are like fractions, so 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. The denominator will remain same, that is 8, and we will sum up the numerator, that is 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4 by 8. And we can also simplify this 4 by 8 into 1 by 2 by simple cutting method. So the question arises, why we add the numerator, not the denominator? Why we can't write 1 plus 3 upon 8 plus 8? We have to write 1 plus 3 upon 8. Because this is not the right answer, because the denominator tells us how many pieces the whole is divided into. And in this addition problem, we have not changed the number of pieces in the whole. The number of pieces remains the 8. So we will take denominator 8. Therefore, the denominator should still be 8. We can't add 8 plus 8. So some other examples with equal denominators are, let's see, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 will be equal to 3 by 5, as denominator remains the same, and we add the numerator, that is 2 plus 1. Similarly, here we can do 6 plus 7, that is equal to 13, and it is written in the mixed form or mixed fraction. Similarly, here 11 is the denominator will remain same, and we will add the numerator, that is 6 plus 9, which is equal to 15. Now, as we go to know the like fractions, now let's see what are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions that we had already studied, those fractions which have different denominators, like 1 by 5, 3 by 8, 3 by 4. So all the numbers are having different denominators, they are not same. Okay, so now we will study how we can add these unlike fractions. Adding unlike fractions, just the way we did the conversion of unlike fraction into like fraction, similarly we will do here. First of all, we will find the least common factor, then we will change the numerators, that is we will find the equivalent fraction, and then we will add the numerators and keep the denominators same, and then we will simplify. For example, I have taken this example here, 8 by 9 plus 5 by 12. We have taken it. This is the unlike fraction. We will take the LCM of 9 and 12, that is 36, and then we will change with the help of 36. We will change the numerator. Like here you can see we are multiplying with 4, and here we are multiplying with 3, just to convert it into equivalent fraction. And on converting it into equivalent fraction, we got the denominator same, so we will keep the denominator same, and numerator will be added, and the answer will be 47 by 36. Also, we can add the mixed number, and the rule says we have to add the fractions together and the whole numbers together. Likewise, you can see the mixed number says 3 and 1 by 5 plus 2 and 3 by 5. So what we will do? We will add the fractions together and whole number together. If we add the whole number together, that is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5, and we will add the fractions together, that is 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Denominator is same, so likewise we will keep the denominator same and sum of numerator. We will write the sum of the numerator, that comes 4 by 5, and we will write it as 5 and 4 by 5. Got it? Now we can also use another method, that is we can also first convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Then by taking least common factor, that is by converting them into equivalent fraction, we can add. Likewise, you can see here, this is a mixed number 8 and 3 by 4 plus 10 and 2 by 5, which is converted into improper fraction. That is how it is converted: 4 into 8 plus 3, that is 4 into 8, 32, 32 plus 3, which is equal to 35 by 4. Here 5 into 10, 50, 50 plus 2, that is 52 by 5. Now on taking LCM, what we get, 20 is the LCM, and we will simplify and we will get the answer 383 by 20. Okay, so now subtracting like fractions. How we can subtract the like fractions? Bachcha, remember this rule will remain same, just we have to do the difference. We have to subtract the numerator, as in addition we add the numerator. In this we will subtract the numerators and we will keep the denominator same and then simplify. So the rule is difference of like fraction is equal to difference of their numerator upon common denominator. Denominator will not be changed. So in this you can see 11 by 12 minus 3 by 12. That means we have to take 3 by 12 away from 11 by 12. How we can? That is, it is a total portion of 11 by 12 shaded portion, and we have to take away 3 by 12. You can see, if we take the 3 by 12 of the portion, what we will get? We will get, that is, denominator will remain same, and 11 minus 3, that is difference between the numerator, which comes to be 8. So here you can see we are left with 8 pieces. Okay, so now what if the denominator is unequal? We will follow the same rule as we have followed in addition. That is, when we are having different denominators, for example 6 by 7 minus 4 by 9, what we will do? We will do the LCM and convert it into equivalent fraction, and then we will simplify. Similarly, we can also subtract the mixed number. Since you can see, in addition we say that we have to add the whole numbers and whole numbers together and fractions together, but here we can see, since 1 by 4 is not enough to be subtracted by 1 by 2. So what we will do, we will convert all the mixed numbers into improper fraction and then we will compute. Likewise, you can see here we are converting it into improper fraction. 4 into 3 plus 1, that is 13. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4. Here comes 2 into 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. That is 3 by 2. And on taking LCM, we will convert it into and simplify, and we will get the answer 7 by 4, or it can be written in the mixed number, that is 1 and 3 by 4. So thank you students. With this your chapter is completed. So please prepare your chapter. Thank you for listening and keep practicing.